dear parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope we are fine in your home. Okay? Listen children, last class we have learned to swar vowels. No? That's one. Today recall. And next one going to learn next letter of vowels. Okay? Okay children? Are you ready? Okay. Listen. Shall we start? Swar vowels. What is meant by swar vowels? Okay. What is first letter of vowels? What is this letter? What is this letter? What is second letter of vowels? This is Next one. E. What is this letter? E. What is this letter? E. E. Next one. E. What is this letter? E. Next one. O. What is this letter? O. What is this letter? O. E. O. Next one. Oo. This is oo. Next one. Re or ru. This letter is re or ru. Okay. The next one. Hereafter learn to today class. Okay. Swar vowels. Next letter of vowels. A. A. What is this letter? A. What is this letter? A. I. What is this letter? I. What is this letter? I. What is this letter? I. Listen children. Last class we learned to E only. Okay. Today class is U, Ru and Re. Next one A, I. Right? Okay. The next one A. A say anar. A say anar. Pomegranate. A say anar. Pomegranate. A say anar. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of the fruit. Okay? Pomegranate is one of the fruit. This is good for health. Okay? Next one. What is this letter? Say arm. Say arm. Arm means mango. Say arm. Arm means mango. Mango is a king of the fruit. Everyone summer season we know that one. Okay? Each and everyone like this mango. Okay? Listen. Say arm. Arm. Arm means mango. Okay? Next one. E. What is this letter? E. E say imli. E say imli. Imli. Imli means tamarind. Okay? Imli means tamarind. What is used for tamarind? Prepare the pepper water and add the sambar. No? Okay. The next one. E. E say eat. E say eat. Eat. Eat means sugar cane. Eat means sugar cane. Okay? Make the sugar in sugar cane. Okay? The next one. Re or ru. Okay? Re say rishi. Rishi means sad. Re say rishi. Rishi means sad. Okay? They have lot of knowledge. They are lot of knowledge person. Okay? Next one. U. U say ullu. This is ullu. Okay? U say ullu. Ullu is one of the bird. U say ullu. U say ullu. U il lu. next one A. A say egg. A say egg. A egg. Egg. 1. This is number name. Okay. Next one I. I say Ainan. I say Ainan. I na it. Ainan. Ainan means spectacles. Okay. I must wear this spectacles. This is Ainan. Okay. Next one. Listen. So listen children. The how to writing way in Hindi letters. No. Listen here. So English and Tamil means we have write the upside line upside. Okay. And Hindi means letter down only we will write. Okay. So first letter of first how to write up. So this is first procedure. Okay. The next one. This is second one. This is look like 3. This is third one. 3 and add one sleeping line. This is third procedure. Next one. 3 and sleeping line and one line add here. Straight line. Okay. Next one. 3 sleeping line, straight line and finally add one straight line. Okay. This is A. What is this letter? A. Next one. A. So A is very easy. Same look like this procedure only. The second one same. Third one also this line and finally we add one extra line and sleeping line. Okay. This is A. Here A means no extra line here. A means here one extra line. Okay. This is A. Next one E. E is very easy. First one we draw one straight line. The next one straight line and this is look like this now. Next one same this one and last we finally add this sleeping line. Okay. This is E. What is this letter? E. A. E. Next one E. Same procedure. Okay. First one straight line. Then after this look like yes. Same. And here right. Same letter E. And finally we add this look like C. This one. Okay. This is E. A. E. E. Okay. Next one O. O is very easy. First the symbol. The next one look like 3. Okay. This one. Last we add sleeping line. Okay. This is O. What is this letter? O. O is very easy. O is very easy. Look like 3 only. Okay. Look like 3 only. We write first 3 and this sleeping line. Add this sleeping line. Okay. A. E. O. Okay. Next one O. O is very easy. Same this line. Look like 3. Look like 3 and sleeping line. So this is it. O. And finally we add here one monkey type. Okay. You know monkey type? So this is a monkey type. So we add this symbol. This is O. And finally we add sleeping line. Okay. This is O. A. E. O. O. Okay. The next one Ru. Ru. First one we write first straight line. Then next this line. The next procedure this line. This is next one. This is small c. This is capital C. Okay. Finally we add sleeping line. Okay. Finally we add sleeping line. This is Re. Next one A. A. How to write A? This is small j small chain. Then after straight line and cross line. Next one same. Next one slipping line. This is A. Okay. Next one I. So I here. I will write here I. First one same line A. This one second one. This one third one. Slipping line. What is the letter A? Okay. So what is different of A and I? Finally we add one stop. Okay. This is I. Okay. A, I, U, Re or Ru, A, I. Okay children? We understand? Okay. Right? Again once recall. Okay. Swar vowels. Swar vowels. A, I, U, Re or Ru, A, I. Okay. We have understood this letter. Or to I. Okay. Next one. A say anar, pomegranate. Anar, pomegranate. 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 Okay. Say anar, pomegranate. Next one. Say mango. 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 Next one. E say imli. Imli. Tamarind. 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 E say imli. Tamarind. Okay. Next one. E say eek. Eek means sugar cane. Eek means sugar cane. Eek another name is the sugar cane. Another name is first one eek. The next name is ganna. Okay. Next one. Eek. Sugar cane. Yes. UGARCANE. Sugar cane. E say eek. Sugar cane. Okay. Next one. Re say receive. Receive. Sage. 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 Okay. Next one. U say ullu. Ullu. Owl. 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 U say ullu. Owl. Next one. Say unt. Unt. Camel. 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 Say unt. Camel. Next one. Say egg. Egg. One. O-N-E. One. Say egg. One. Say egg. One. I say spectacle. I say eyeneck. Spectacle. I say eyeneck. Spectacle. SPECTACLES. Spectacles. I say eyeneck. Spectacles. Okay. The next one. Ru or Re. Okay, listen children. Next one. Here I said one worksheet. Okay, do this one. Okay, first one is trace of trace out the letters. Then second one, before and after letter. Okay. Next one, circle the re letter only. Okay. So listen children, we are practice each and every letters. Okay. This, if you read any word means very important is Hindi letters. Okay. Hindi only know each and every one. Okay. Each and every one. This is Hindi also, Tamil also, and English also. If you have letter identification means word is reading and writing is very easily. Okay. Listen here. A, I, U, Ri, Ru, A, I. Okay. Listen children. The next one. A say anar, pomegranate. A say aam, mango. E say imli, tamarind. E say ri, sugar cane. Ri, Ru. Ri say risi, sage. U say ullu, owl. U say oont, camel. A say eight. A say one. I say aina, spectacles. Okay. So daily we have read and writing practice in your home. Okay children. This letter is very must important. Okay. Listen here. What is this letter? A. So A and A. What is different here? A and A. A means no here any line. Okay. And A means here given extra line. So this is one of the different A and A. Okay. Then next one, E. What is different is E and E. This is E. Let's look like same E, no? So here one C like add here. So this is a E and a E difference. Okay. So this C like look like C. This one add here. This is E. So this is one of the different E and a E. E means no any symbols here, and a E means here add C. Look like C. This is E. This is E. Okay. Okay. Next one O. So what is different of O and O? Look like same, no? Okay. So this monkey tag here added. This one only different for O. Okay. This is O. This look like 3 and this sleeping line add here. This is O and this is O because here one monkey tags added. Okay. So this is O. Re is also different letter. Okay. Re or Ru. This letter is called Re or Ru. Okay. This is A. So what is difference of A and I? Looks like same, no? Yeah. Next one. How to different? What is different is A and I? Listen. Here no any symbols. Okay. And I means have one stroke only. Okay. So this is one of the different of A and I. Understand children? We understand everyone? Are you understand? Okay. Again one time repeated this worksheet. Okay. Worksheet number 2. First one is trace of the letter. Second one is before and after letter. And third one is circle the re letter. Okay, listen.